Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and I'm representing Parcel Trackers team here. The topic of our hack is intelligent shipment tracking. So let's first understand the objective here. So using this intelligent shipment tracking APIs and the application, you can track any parcel. Yes, it can be any carrier. You just provide us the tracking number and we will give you the tracking information for that tracking ID. Our tracking APIs auto-detect all the local and international logistic providers. Uh, you can track parcels for pretty much most of the carriers using this API. Currently, we have implemented this solution for 5 carriers, USPS, UPS, FedEx, RMG, and DHL, but it can be extended as and when the need is there. You can track your parcels anytime. You can subscribe for the updates. Also, we provide a single point of integration for the e-commerce applications where they don't need to integrate with different carriers to get the tracking information. They can just integrate with our API and we do all the work in the background. We have used machine learning capabilities to design this solution. So let's talk about that. So we have used AngularJS for the front-end development. We have used WCF.NET Services for the API development. We have developed the machine learning model in PySpark, and then we have deployed that model in AWS SageMaker, which is a machine learning service for the deployment purpose from AWS. So the our machine learning, as part of our machine learning model, we take last 2 years of tracking data, we clean it, we prepare it based on the feature selection, then we train our model, we evaluate it, uh, and then once the evaluation looks good, then we go ahead and deploy it in production and we start using it. Uh, Current success rate of our model is around 96%, but as and when we provide it more and more data and we do better feature selection, we can improve on our success rate as well. So this is how our tracking app looks like. I'll talk more about it when we go to the demo part. Let's quickly jump to how we are doing it as part of the PySpark development. So this is the Jupyter notebook which we have created here. Uh, we are importing the sample data and then we are doing a feature selection on that sample data. So here you can see that we are trying to understand the length of the tracking ID, whether the tracking ID is alphabetic, numeric, alphanumeric, what is the start string type, what is the end string type, and once we have done this feature selection, we create vectors on the on this, and then we use the XGBoost machine learning model to create our model, and then we start predicting the tracking ID. So let's quickly jump to the demo part. So this is how the screen looks like. Here you can either provide the tracking numbers in a comma separated format, or you can just upload a file which will contain all the tracking numbers, and you can just upload it and we will send you the tracking information for all those tracking IDs. So as part of the demo, I will go ahead and take 2 tracking numbers. One belongs to the DHL and the one belongs to the RMG. And let's click on the track button. Now this particular uh, app is calling our machine learning model, which will predict the carrier, and then we will get all the tracking information from different carriers for you. So here, as you can see, we have got the tracking information for the DHL carrier. So it identified that this particular tracking ID belongs to DHL and this particular tracking ID belongs to RMG. And this is the detailed tracking information for these tracking IDs. So that concludes our demo. Thank you so much.